Hi, this is Steve Bumgarner, Eagle Public Library. We haven't done one of these for a long time, but we thought we'd start them up again. So here is the first of like years worth, probably, of unboxing videos. This is new stuff we've just received. So here's a box. I've already cut it open, right? So I'm going to open it up. And now, so that you can actually see the stuff that's coming out, I'm going to push it back off to the side. And here we go. Hey, look at the last thing he told me. This is like a Reese Witherspoon book or Jenna Bush or somebody, I don't know, somebody recommended it. We have a lot of copies. They're probably all checked out right now, but if you want it, it's a good time to reserve it. We just got a bunch in this order. Here's something called With Teeth, something about teeth, I guess, I don't know. Here's The Photographer, probably a book about some guy making photographs. Here's something called The Gollum and Tiny, or Jenny or somebody, I can't read it. Oh, The Hidden Place, a novel of the Gollum and the Genie. So it's probably like, it's probably not true. We're starting to get a lot of these, the Bridgerton series, that Netflix series. We also have those on audio player as well. And they're all over the digital library. Here's Jill Shalvis. She wrote a new book. She writes one about once every couple months. What's this? Oh, it's some book in part of the Tom Clancy series called Target Acquired, probably about weapons and stuff like that. Here's something called Animal by Lisa Taddeo. I don't know what that is. Here's Early Morning Riser. This is a bestseller. I know, because there's some reserves for it. You might want to put that on reserve if you're interested. And what's this thing? Look at Superman. It's a graphic novel. Superman and Shazam. Remember Gomer Pyle, right? He was always saying Shazam about this or that every time something was exciting. Here's How the Word is Passed, A Reckoning with the History of Slavery Across America. Probably a pretty good book. And what's this thing? King Richard. Something about President Nixon and Watergate, an American tragedy. I remember being little and during Watergate, and my grandpa was always going on about how this guy just wanted to be king. So I find that title kind of funny. And if your kid's going off to school and you don't have any money, this might help. 1,001 Ways to Pay for College. And just a few more things here. Here's what looks like a pretty kid's picture book, Faraway Things. Looks like it's about a boat and a kid, and they're far away from each other. And Weird But True Ocean, 200 amazing facts, such as the red handfish has a set of fins that look like human hands. Look at that. They're right. And here's a couple beginning readers, super popular in the summer. Here's an Eric Carle, The Very Lonely Firefly. And, look at, Space Jam. Just like the new movie that came out. So it's probably really good. All right, that is it for this box. Watch whatever feed this is on. And there'll be more. All right, thanks a lot. See you then. Bye.